Shorthand configuration 5F 46D 107S2 FP3 Full configuration 1S2 2S2 2P3 6S2 3P 6 3D 104S2 4P 64D 104F 14 5S 2 5P6 5D 10 5F 14 6S 6P 66D 10 7 8 27 P3 cell electron counts 2 8 18 32 32 18 5.
Now we do the orbital diagram. We have 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6, and 3s2, and 3p6, 3p6, and 3d10, and 4s2, and 4p6, and 4d10, and 4f14, and 5s2, and 5p6, and 5d10, and 5f14, and 6s2, and 6p6, and 6d10, and 7s2, and 7p3. Now, in orbital diagram box, 1s2, 2s2, of 1 orbital, 2p6, 3 orbital, 3s2, 1 orbital, 3p6, 3 orbital, 3d10, 5 orbital, 4s2, 1 orbital, 4p6, 3 orbital, 4d10, 5 orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4f14. You have 7 orbital for 4f14, 7 orbital, 5s2, 1 orbital, 5p6, 3 orbital, 5d10, 5 orbital, 5f14, 7 orbital, 6s2, 1 orbital, 6p6, 3 orbital, 6d10, 5 orbital, 7s2, 1 orbital, 7p3, 3 orbital. Now we done in orbital. Let's do in electron. 1, 3d10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 1s2, 2 electron, 11, 12, 2s2, 2 electron, 14, 2p6, 6 electron, 3s2, 2 electron, 3p6, 6 electron, 4s2, 2 electron, 4p6, 6 electron, 3d10, 10 electron. 4f14, 14 electron. 5s2, 2 electron. 5p6, we have 6 electrons. 4d10, we have 10 electron. 4f14, 5f14, we have 14 electron. 6s2 with 2 electron. 6p6 with 6 electron. 6d10, we have 10 electron. 7s2, 2 electron. 7p3, 3 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 115 total.